our black racing bird, Bandit. Now, Bandit right here is a red and green macaw, also known as the green-winged macaw. Now, these birds are found in woodlands and forests of northern and central South America. And there you go, folks. Our show is officially started, so how about a round of applause for Bandit? Now, our next set of birds are just like any best friends. But sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. And so today they will battle over who's gonna be the best in the basketball game. So now before we start the game, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for Blue. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Go Blue, go Blue. And all the girls will cheer for Azul. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Go Azul, go Azul. Now are you ready for the basketball game? Okay, nice energy. Are you ready for the basketball game? Alright, first ready. Trainers ready. Set. Go, let's go Blue, let's go Azul. Now the first ball for Azul. Followed by Blue and the money ball for Bogers and last ball. Blue wins this game. So that's alright, Azul. So trainer, baby girl. You lost this game. What can you say?
Golden trainer, not who you want, but I'm very rich.
Well, she won another race.
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
My.
Well, this time we're pretty other than I will win.
So what race have in mind?
Let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game, so first bird you can drop all 3 rings into the goal. The fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race.
So our ring race is shall be our number. Boys already have 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. Now are you ready for the second game? Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready. Set. Go, let's go Azul. Now birds green for Blue, let's go Azul. Another let's twist. Azul, that's all wings at the same time. What a clever technique from Azul. So trainer done. Did you see that? Wings at the same time. What can you say?
What's that? Baby girl, you guys cheated.
Right, I did that one.
No, you didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Alright, so how about the round of applause for Blue and Azul? Now this time, I'll need an adult volunteer with a money bill. So who wants to volunteer, please raise your hand and I'll choose you. So I need adult volunteer. So pataas ka mo kung sa'yo gusto mong volunteer. Dili na ako lang. Magmahal hindi mag-volunteer. Go sir, nasa middle. So please join me here on stage and bring with you a money bill. So pagdala paper bill sir. Hello sir, good afternoon. So please stand right here. Now face me. And extend your left arm sideways. Right, so no matter what happens, please do not swing or move your arm. Now let's call in our money bird, Blue. So Blue right here can detect if the money is fake or not. So Blue flies over and grabs the money. So Blue flies back to the table and I guess who wants to? There you go, donate your money. So sir, are you okay with your money for donation? How's the first one, sir?
Too much.
Sure. Did you do it? No problem, sir. It's all part of the show. So before we give you your money back, you'll have a photo op with our lucky bird for souvenir. So please stand right there and follow our trainer's instructions. Smile. Alright, so here's your money back, sir. So please follow our photographer and he'll give you a printed copy for free. So how about a round of applause for volunteer and our money bird youth. Now let's call in our Brahmini Kite Kingdom. Now Brahmini kites, scientifically known as Haliastor eagles. These lovings may be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. So here the Philippines, they're locally known as lawings or badong in the Visayan region. So if familiar mo na bird, but ano siyang bird na sa show ni Piki, nga matang lawing. And so that is it for our Brahmini Kite Kingdom. Now up next is known as Milornes Ulos. These endemic eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines. So mostly found in open woodlands and forests. Now Philippine eagle and Philippine serpent eagle are two different birds. So the friend right there is our Philippine serpent eagle, while our Philippine eagle is 3 times larger than Freddy. Now ready your cameras as Freddy will fly across the stage. And so that is it for Philippine serpent eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle, scientifically known as Haliastor, still could faster. Now these raptors can be found around Southern Asia and Australia. Now they primarily feed on aquatic animals such as fish, sea snakes, and sea turtles. Now female eagles are larger and stronger birds. That is because they have a better nesting position and rearing behavior. Now Kingdom Aki and Freddy were donated by the DNR last Institute 2019. So they are nourished, trained, and fed here at Cebu Ocean Park. Now ready your cameras as Aki will fly across the stage. And so that is it for our white-bellied sea eagle. Now walking pigeons are an innate moving ability, meaning they'll go back to its nest and mate. So they have this special sense called magnetoreception, wherein they can detect the Earth's magnetic field, allowing them to perceive direction, altitude, and location. So how about a round of applause for our raptors and our homing pigeons? Showing off their chasing skills from one another. And sometimes even flying short distances with wavy directions. Now these birds are omnivores, meaning they not only love to eat fruit, but also meat as well. And have you noticed the right here is an excellent food measure. Alright, let's show them so. Okay, first one. Last one too. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, ready your cameras. As Sook Show will show you a trick in 1, 2, 3. Amazing, right? So how about a round of applause for Slow? So here is the bush part. We believe there is hope. We're not trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. So who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now let's call it once again. Our lovely bird is going to show us how to properly dispose our waste. the house and along with the